Hello once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, What's Cooking with Jean. For today, we are going to make the very famous banana loaf. So we want to add more to this and make it more special. We are going to put some multigrain. So here are the ingredients. So first, we have 2.5 cups all-purpose flour. Make sure this is sifted. And then 1 cup banana. Make sure you use the overripe. So even if the skin looks brown, inside it's still ripe and very delicious. And then our sugar, this is 1.5 cups. And then our vegetable oil or canola, 1/3 cup, half cup of water, and instead of milk, you can use yogurt or yakult, half cup. And then we have 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and then to add a hint of cinnamon, just put 1/2 teaspoon, and of course vanilla, 2 spoon vanilla, and then 2 eggs. The multigrain, about 1/3 cup. Then choco chips, these 3 ingredients are just optional. And then walnuts, 1/3 also. So this, if you don't have this, you don't have to put. Just the plain one, vanilla and cinnamon will be the flavoring of our banana. Okay, we're ready to mix everything. So this recipe is good for 2 pans. So make sure that you grease it and put a wax paper at the bottom so that the loaf will not stick. So put lang, and then grease it with oil, or if you have a spray, you can do that. And now for the dry ingredients, your flour. Make sure that you sifted this first. Then let's add our baking powder, our baking soda, and then our salt and our cinnamon. Just mix it. So while you're mixing that, you turn on the stove, preheat it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to combine the other ingredients. Get the oil, and then the egg, so just keep on beating it for a minute. And let's add our sugar. No need for an electric mixer, so this is easier. Add the yogurt and mix. And let's add our vanilla. Then you can slowly add flour. You want it to be moist. Don't put everything. in one sitting, but just add it. Then you can alternately put our water. Mashed banana. Make sure when you mash the banana, it's not super fine. It's still a little bit solid. Then don't put everything so that we can still put this on top. So put the nuts and then the chocolate and the multigrain. So reserve a little for the toppings. And mix. And we're ready to pour it to our loaf bread. If the mixture is too sticky, you can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons. So this is the consistency that we want. And then make sure you put it in our prepared pan. Make sure it's just 3/4. Make sure when you put in the pan, it's just 3/4. Do not overflow it, okay? And then, we're going to put some toppings. So, huwag niyo pong ubusin sa loob. Para it's gonna look that this is a multigrain banana loaf. And let's add our nuts. And put our chocolate chips. You can add raisins, you can add cranberries, whatever your favorite toppings you can put it in. And we're going to put this already inside our preheated oven. Our banana loaf inside. And let's wait until it turns golden brown. Alright, after 1 hour, depending on your oven, this is our freshly baked banana loaf with multigrain toppings. Enjoy! Okay, here's the sliced banana bread for your enjoyment.